Okay, my people, let's make some pickled jalapenos here. Pickled jalapenos. Look at my harvest this year. Look at all the cucumbers, jalapenos, habanero peppers. This year was amazing out there. This is like my third collection here, and it's just awesome. This is just awesome. God bless this stuff. So I have about 10 jalapenos here, big size. These are ready. I've been outside on that plant for a while. I picked them up today. You're gonna need a cup of water. We're also gonna use a cup of white vinegar, a cup of apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna use some peppercorns just like that, black peppercorns, and about a teaspoon of salt and star anise, 2 teaspoons of salt actually, and star anise. Here's all you need. Let's go step by step. So first thing, we're gonna make some space up here, and I'm gonna take the stems out just like that. I'm gonna take the stems out, all of them. So just take that little tip out on all of them, and we're gonna be on our way to the pickled jalapenos that you can make your own at home. You just get rid of all these stems, and now we're gonna slice these jalapenos to your desired thickness. I'm gonna slice them just like that. This is the size that I like. You can do it like thinner or thicker. That's up to you. This is how I like it. This is how it should look. This is perfect for pickling jalapenos. So you cut them any way you want. And remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends and family. Pass it on, my friends. Pass it on. Pass it on. We're doing great videos here. These are the slices I'm making here, so I'm doing the same thing with all of them. All of them. I'm doing my little slicing here. You can do any way you want. You can also do this for any other peppers. I'm doing a separate video on how to do pickled habaneros, which are like 40 times hotter than jalapenos. So you can follow this video. You can check the other video about habaneros, but that's up to you. And it's pretty easy. This is a way to preserve the jalapenos. If you have a big harvest, if you do not use them, they're gonna go bad. So about this thickness is what I like. You see that thickness is exactly the size that I love. Remember, this is up to you. I'm just giving you the idea. So 1 cup of water in a small saucepan here. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm gonna use about 20 peppercorns here, straight in the water, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm gonna use 2 star anise as well. 2 star anise as well. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Just bring him to a boil first. Bring him to a boil first, and we're gonna follow up with the rest. So you put all the wet ingredients here with the spices, and we're gonna bring this to a boil. I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm making this video with a great love and passion for food. So pass it on, my friends. Pass it on. So once it comes up, that thing it's spicy. So the fumes from that can make you cough, but that's just part of it. That's part of the love. So once it boils, you turn it off immediately and let it rest a little bit for about a minute. Let it rest there. And in the meantime, in another container, you're gonna drop your jalapenos. You can use any type of container. The thing is that you have to cover them all with the liquid. So I'm gonna add about 1 habanero in there, about 1 habanero, because I want them to make it spicier, like hotter. I know that jalapenos are not super hot, so I'm gonna add that's about it, 4 slices of a habanero pepper in that mix, so that's gonna spice up the whole thing. And our liquid that we just boiled, we're gonna make sure we put one of those stars in there, and you just drop that liquid right on top of the jalapenos until you get it covered. You put the peppercorns in there as well. Just drop the peppercorns in there. There you go. Peppercorns falling from the sky. You love them, right? And just make sure that all your jalapenos are under water, and that should be enough. Put a lid on these, and we're gonna let these rest for about 5 days, 3 to 5 days. I'll say minimum 3 to 5 days. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy it. Pickled jalapenos, homemade. See you next time, my friends.